afternoon, everybody. This is Karen March from Hilton Head Island. Guys, this is a Alexandrine Parakeet with a son Conure. Larry, do you think they're a pair?
No.
No.
No, they're just buddies.
Okay. And Larry and I were just talking about how there's a ringneck parakeet that's smaller, and Larry was saying the Alexandrian one is like a ringneck on steroids because his beak is so big. Hi, beautiful bird.
The whole body is bigger. It's about 30%.
Yeah, he's huge. Absolutely.
I mean, there's a ringneck right there.
Oh, there he is. Let me see if I can. Let me see. All right, guys. So it's 92 degrees today, and here's a couple of cockatiels. This is called the Swami flight. And Larry, were you here to meet the Swami when he was here?
Yes. Yes.
And
quite a nice gentleman. It was really interesting to watch him and Ron interact.
Wow.
Because they're on the same level. Ron got privileges that the Swami's own followers don't get. They're not allowed to touch him, and him and Ron embraced. So,
wow, it's amazing.
Yeah, it was pretty incredible.
And guys, the Swami, did he heard about Feather Friends Forever just on the website?
While he was in England, he saw a program on television, and he contacted his ambassador, I think at the time, was up north somewhere.
Okay.
And the Swami was flying into Texas, and then was scheduled to go somewhere up north, and decided to hire a private airplane, and they landed here at Bushfield and were picked up by Bob Courtwright and transported here. Actually, I take that back. Bob went to meet them there.
Okay.
They rented a car.
Okay.
And then came out here and hung around for a few hours. It was really pretty neat.
And guys, you'll have to look at the article further, but the Swami really holds parrots to a very high regard over in India. Is that correct?
He built I think it's a $3 million flight over there for birds. So,
unbelievable.
Yeah, so he likes them pretty well.
That's fabulous. All right, guys. Well, we're signing off. And Freedom the Parrot's being very quiet right now, which is wonderful. Right, Freedom? Woo! So we're on a golf cart tour. And tomorrow... Now today, after Larry gets up the hill, I'm going to hand out some grapes. I got 4 bags of organic grapes. And we got almonds to give to the birds. And then I'll film all day tomorrow. And then on Saturday, we have the open house. And we're right outside of Augusta. We're in Harlem, Georgia, about 20 minutes away off Gordon Highway. And got a beautiful property here, and they keep expanding for the birds. All right, guys, we're signing off live. It's Karen March. Have a great day.